What if we told you that a single product upgrade could take your personalization business to the next level? We have got something brand new, highly profitable, and designed just for your success. But we are not reviewing it just yet. I'm Zoe from LOPO. Think about it. What's the trending? What are the customers craving? What's the next big things in sublimation? If you want to stay ahead, you need the right products that sell themselves. Are you ready to discover what they are? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how these new blanks can transform for your business. Over the past 5 years, market research has shown a steady rise in search volume for yoga tote bags, with a particularly sharp increase in 2024, as major sport and celebrity-driven brands continue to gain traction. The demand for related athletic apparel and accessories is also surging. This trend clearly indicates that yoga bags are not just a passing fad, they are a growing marketing opportunity. At LOPO, we stay ahead by closely monitoring market trends and identifying key pain points in existing products. We found that many yoga bags on this market are either too stiff or lack durability, making them impractical for long-term use. That's why we have developed leaning yoga bag, designed specifically to address this concern while offering premium printability for sublimation. The leaning yoga bag is available in two classic colors, natural and dark, and measures about 19.6 by 14 by 5 inches, providing ample space for all essentials, whether it's gym equipment, a water bottle, a towel, workout gear, or a change of clothes. This bag has you covered. We carefully selected linen fabric for its firm and stable structure, ensuring that it's resistant to wear, tear, and breakage. Besides, its lightweight won't add any much burden to your shoulder. Most importantly, linen delivers vibrant printing results, making it perfect for customizing with yoga-inspired designs or even your own name. Beyond the dream, this bag doubles as a versatile tote for various occasions, whether heading to an office, beach, market, vacation, picnic, pool, or holiday trip. It adds both style and convenience to your daily routine. So, if you are always looking for on-trend products that's both stylish and practical, that's the right choice. Losing a beloved pet is never easy, and more pet owners are looking for meaningful ways to honor their furry companions. Over the past 5 years, the demand for pet memorial gifts has been steadily rising, with the notable spikes in 2023 and 2024. In fact, search data shows a significant increase in certain religions, highlighting the growing needs for personalized remembrance products. To meet this demand, we have introduced the aluminum pet memorial garden sign, a durable, weather-resistant tribute designed specifically for pet lovers, available in irregular, round, and square shapes. This aluminum sheet also comes with a hanging stake, making it easy to display in gardens, backyards, or special memorial spots. With exceptional printing result, it's easy to customize with pet names, dates, or meaningful messages, making each space unique and deeply personal. If you are looking to expand your product line with highly demanded sentimental items, this is a perfect addition. The next 3 products are highly versatile, perfect as holiday gifts or everyday essentials. Let's explore these MDF-based products and see how they can add values to your business. First up is Pickable Paddle Keychain. If your customers are pickable enthusiasts, player, or fan, this Pickable Paddle Keychain is a perfect accessory to show off their passion. Inspired by the fast-growing sport, This petal kitchen features a adorable and unique design that captures the essence of people. You can customize it with name, neighbors, or unique designs, making it a one-of-a-kind keepsake. Whether attached to a bag, keychain, or pack bag is a fun and stylish way to represent love for the game. Second one is a keepsake box, a unique combination of 12 photo papers and an MDF box. This means you can print design both in the photo paper and the box exterior, allowing for full printing. Once printed, simply assemble the box for an elegant look. Despite being lightweight, MDF is more durable than common wooden materials, ensuring a sturdy and long-lasting finish. The printed images come out with crisp details and vibrant colors, making every design truly stand out. And the pull-out design cover allows for effortless, whether used as a gift, a keepsake, a home decor piece, or for commercial purpose. This box is a versatile and valuable addition to any collection. Last one is cardboard coaster. It's a great gift for beloved significant on an anniversary, wedding, Valentine's Day, or Christmas. Not only is a thoughtful and creative gift, but also it serves as a practical purpose, helping to protect desktop from scratches caused by marks or burns from hot drinks. With the options to print names, special days, or customized designs, it carries a unique sentimental value, making every moment even more memorable. We hope our latest products bring new opportunities and greater success to your business. Ready to expand your product line? Visit lopotech.com to explore more. And Zoe from LOPO, we are always willing to listen to any feedback from you or any new product ideas you think we make. Let's work together to make life memorable. See you next time!